Top levels of the Indian government are currently processing clearances for the detailed design phase of indigenously built 6 next-generation nuclear-powered submarines project worth 1.2 lakh crore rupees. The initial design phase for these new nuclear submarines has progressed successfully, and more resources will now be deployed to move to the more complex detailed design and construction that will be conducted by the Directorate of Naval Design with DRDO assistance. Meanwhile, another indigenous program to build 4 nuclear submarines is also progressing successfully, under which the secondary Hunt-class nuclear submarine will be inducted in the next few months, and the 3rd and 4th submarines are also likely to enter service before 2024. Top experts have said that if India had placed orders for 114 fighter jets under the MMRCA tender, additional funding would be required for creating manufacturing facilities, and after adjusting material cost and inflation, the cost of these locally built fighter jets will always be higher than the ones directly imported from France. They also said that instead of focusing on the assembly of these fighter jets, India should focus on building local spares and supply chain ecosystem of the winning fighter jet, and it should encourage private companies to take part in indigenous fighter jet programs like medium-weight fighter and AMCA, instead of wasting their time by being a part of a foreign manufacturer. According to a media report, the French aircraft manufacturer Dassault Aviation is in discussions to buy out the stake of Reliance Infrastructure in their joint venture Dassault Reliance Aerospace Limited. Dassault Aviation is seeking a 100% ownership of the joint venture, and this is also allowed under Indian regulations. The French side is already handling all the manufacturing activity at the Indian facility, and is planning to establish a final assembly line for Rafale fighter jets and Falcon 2000 in India. India has launched a promotional activity for selling its defense equipments to Bangladesh, and representatives from 12 different Indian firms had participated in a seminar yesterday, which was a part of efforts to export defense equipments, initially under a $500 million line of credit by India. In order to ramp up security cooperation with India, Kuwait has opened an office for defense attaché in New Delhi. The Kuwaiti ambassador has said that the military office will enhance defense and security cooperation between the two countries, as it will allow participation in a number of military exhibitions, conferences and joint military exercises held by India.